In section 3, we have two more things that prove triangle congruence. The first one is SAS, side angle side congruence, and that says if two sides in the included angle of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding sides and angle of a second triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So if you look here, we've got side DC congruent to OR. We've got angle C here congruent to angle R. And we have side CE congruent to angle RN. So that is a side angle side situation, or SAS. Notice the angle is included between the two sides. The second one, which is now our fifth thing that proves triangle congruence, is when we have right triangles. In a right triangle, and this is key, and it's called HL, or hypotenuse leg congruence. If the hypotenuse and leg of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding leg and hypotenuse of a second triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So if we know we have a right triangle, obviously it's got to have a right angle in it, and notice this is the hypotenuse, and that's congruent to the hypotenuse here, and then one of the legs, does not matter which one, so we have this leg AC congruent to this leg, then the triangles are congruent. So I could say, and again, when you write your congruency statement, you could say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. So if I do ABC, A corresponds with Z, so it'd be Z, and then X, and then the right angle is what we put last, so it'd be there. And that would be by hypotenuse leg. Two things that do not prove triangle congruence, very important. Angle, angle, angle. If you know three angles, all you know is that you have similar triangles. So that does not prove triangle congruence. And the other thing is side, side, and angle. And you look at the picture here, side, side angle does not prove triangle congruence because this side could be swung back. For instance, you see what they did here, they swung the side back, made an obtuse triangle out of it, and that leg could be swung back, so it could have two different triangles, so it doesn't prove triangle congruence. So that's the two that do not.